Hello kids, today I will show you one science experiment. In this experiment, we will learn that air has pressure. For this experiment, we need a balloon, a water bottle, a straw, a bowl and a glass of water. This is just a tap water. First, in this bottle, I have made a hole here. Yes. Now, I will fill this bottle with water. Till the hole. Now, I will insert the straw from this hole. Yes. Now I will blow this balloon. I am holding the balloon from here. I will fix the mouth of the balloon on the bottom. Now, when I will release the balloon is filled with air. Now that air will go inside the bottle. Bottle already has water, and when this air will go inside, that air will occupy the space. But there is no space. So the air will push the water outside from this straw to make the space for air. Also, the air will apply the pressure on the water so that the water will come outside. Let's see. Did you all see this, children? This is because air applied the pressure on the water and water came out from the straw. Air is invisible, but it is very strong.